YouTube Music and Spotify are two popular music streaming services, each with unique features that appeal to different kinds of listeners. YouTube Music by Google integrates well with the larger YouTube ecosystem, giving users access to a vast catalog of music, including official songs, remixes, live performances, and user-generated content. This can be especially appealing for those who enjoy discovering unique versions of songs and experiencing a variety of content beyond traditional albums. YouTube Music also uses YouTube's algorithm to make recommendations, which can be highly personalized based on viewing and listening habits. Spotify, however, has long been a favorite for its robust music library, playlists, and personalized listening features. Known for its curated playlists like Discover Weekly and Release Radar, Spotify offers an intuitive way to discover new music based on individual preferences. It also includes features like podcast streaming and collaborative playlists, which allow users to share and co-create playlists with friends. Spotify's social features and integration with various devices and platforms make it a flexible choice for most music enthusiasts. Ultimately, YouTube Music is ideal for those who want a video-based experience and exclusive content from YouTube, while Spotify excels in playlist variety, social features, and a straightforward music-focused interface.